Did you know over 80% of the world's goods move through ports, making them the backbone of the export-import business? Here's a practical step-by-step timeline for exporters to ensure smooth shipping and avoid unnecessary costs. 6 to 8 weeks before departure. Begin your export planning by identifying the buyer's requirements and destination country regulations. Select suitable Incoterms and work closely with your buyer, freight forwarder, and shipping line to finalize vessel schedules, routes, and cost options. 1 month before departure. Book cargo space with your chosen shipping line or freight forwarder, and secure export licenses or permits. 1 to 2 weeks before departure. Confirm cargo space and schedule with your shipping line or freight forwarder. Prepare goods for export, like packaging, labeling, and marking, as per international standards. Arrange for inland transport to move goods from your warehouse to the port or incorporated for customs clearance. 3 to 5 days before departure. Hand over cargo and documents to your CHA agent for customs clearance. Complete port entry paperwork and confirm booking with the shipping line. If customs clearance is done at an inland location, plan for an additional 1 to 3 days buffer for moving goods from the inland site to the port. 1 to 2 days before departure, complete the final cargo handover at the port. Port authorities verify all documentation, security compliance, and customs clearance. The port generally offers free warehouse storage for 2 or 3 days. If cargo arrives too early, you might have to pay a warehouse storage fee of around 1,500 rupees per day, and it keeps increasing in slabs if the container stays longer. Containerized goods are loaded onto the vessel according to the storage plan. Ship departure day. The shipping line issues the bill of lading, which serves as the official proof of shipment. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the export-import business, subscribe to our channel.